Hey everyone, this is Luke at Mark Jacobson Toyota. Just wanted to show you a quick video about an automatic parking brake electronic that's found on a 2019 RAV4. It's a feature that we love, so when you put your RAV4 in reverse, you have a nice backup camera there. You can see the parking brake went off. Now you reverse, let's say a couple feet. Then when you put it in park, the parking brake re-engages and the light illuminates. However, just recently we had a circumstance where it wasn't working like that, and it took us quite a while to figure out how this feature can actually be disabled. So in order to disable this feature, you do need to hold the parking brake switch down for a few seconds until you hear a beep. Then you're going to notice on the dashboard here, it'll say right there, the parking brake feature has been deactivated. Now, if that's the case, when you put the car in reverse, you're fine to back up. But when you put it in park, you'll notice that the parking brake does not come back on. It's almost like you just have to push it down one time for it to, you have to pull it up one time for it to actually engage. Now the parking brake's engaged. Now you want to turn it off, you have to push it down and then it will disengage. So we were just in a car and we couldn't figure out why it was not engaging, and we wanted it to re-engage. So we did find out in order for it to re-engage and get back to working properly as we like it, you would pull up on the parking brake until you hear a beep. And that chime is associated with this message saying that it's activated in your dashboard. And now when we go back to putting the car in reverse, voila, it's back to working. Hope you enjoy your new RAV4s. Again, come see us at Mark Jacobson Toyota in Durham, North Carolina.